you doing?
Texting
Texting who?
my little sister.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Hi.
Why you lying?
You always lying to me.
About what?
You told me there was no more cookies, and I found it in your closet.
That was only one time, and I forgot those cookies were even back there. You said always. I don't always lie.
Yes, you do. And you told me there was no more snacks. And what's this?
You know what? I had enough. I don't need this. You said you was texting your sister, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and mind my business.